बातों ही बातों में सोच में पड़ क्यों जाते हैं, बातों ही बातों में सोच में पड़ क्यों जाते हैं, हंसते हुए आखिरकार हमसे रूठ क्यों जाते हैं। उनके मिजाज का कोई ठिकाना नहीं, उनके मिजाज का कोई ठिकाना नहीं, साथ चलते हुए साथ छोड़कर चले क्यों जाते हैं। ठीक, तो आज इसी साथ के छोड़ के जाने वालों के गम में एक सवाल करते हैं। वो उन्होंने साथ छोड़ को तो गया, एक सवाल, एक क्वेश्चन सवाल को सवाल रख दिया। ध्यान दीजिए, a metallic sphere of radius 10.5 meter is melted and then recast into smaller cones, each of radius 3.5 meter and height 3 meter. How many cones are obtained? We have already studied about that. When the metal is converted, when one form of metal, when metal is converted from one form to another form, then its volumes remains constant. In this case, a metallic sphere is melted and it recast into another shape. That the shape is cones. It means that the volume, number of cones, smaller cones. Here, in earlier question, the number of cones, the number of metals was 1, which was 1 recasted. तो इन दिस केस, इस केस में क्या है कि एक मेटालिक स्फीयर है जिसकी रेडियस 10.5 मीटर है, उसको मेल्ट किया गया। जैसे कि मान ले कि दिस इज ए मेटालिक स्फीयर, दिस इज ए मेटालिक स्फीयर है, ठीक। इसकी रेडियस दिया हुआ है r, मान ले लेट अस सपोज रेडियस r1 है, ठीक, r1 एंड इट इज मेल्टेड एंड देन रिकास्टेड, इस मेल्ट किया गया और recast into a number of cones. Let us suppose there are n number of cones, n number of cones, smaller cones have been recasted. Then suppose the radius of cone be r2, radius of cone be r2 and height of the cone be h and slant height will be, there is no need of slant height because we are talking about the volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Here radius is not same, so we assume different radii, different. If we suppose radius of sphere r1, then we will suppose radius of cone r2. It means that the volume of the metal will be constant. So simply we can say that volume of sphere is equal to n into number of volume of cone. There are smaller. There are various types of various shape and size of cones are manufactured, which are smaller in size, and metallic sphere is large in size. The when this material हिंदी में समझते हैं, मान लीजिए कि इसको काट दिए तो अब सबको जोड़ देंगे तो सबकी जो वॉल्यूम होगी इसके वॉल्यूम के क्या होगी बराबर। इस स्फीयर में से वॉल्यूम को काट कर ऐसे बनाया जा रहा है। तो there are number of cones which are to be manufactured from the any sphere. So we can assume the number of cones be n. N is the n and is the number of cones. If the question is not further, if question is not asking number of cones, then we assume it as 1. So here number of cones will be volume of sphere divided by volume of cone, and we have learned the formula that volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r1 cube divided by 1 by 3 pi r2 square into h, pi r2 square into h. 3 get cancel, pi get cancel, and this will becomes 4 r1 is cube divided by r2 square into h, and this will be 4 r1 radii दिया है 10.5, ठीक, into whole cube divided by r2 square, r2 it means 3.5 3.5 square and into h 3 meter. Now the calculation is getting more difficult. We in the place of 10.5 we write it 11 by 2 and 3.5 7 by 2.
11 by 2.
Yes, नहीं 21 by 2, 21 by 2. ठीक है. For easy calculation, we replace the 10.5 by 21 by 2. The 4 into 21 by 2. 21 by 2. 21 by 2. ठीक. At 3.57 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 3. 2 get cancel, 2 get cancel. 7 3 times 21 and 3 7 times 21
and 7 all cancel.
And this 7 also get cancelled and denominator has been finished. Now the case of this 2. It means that 2 into 21 is equal to
into 3.
into 3. It means that
6
was the 6 126 cones have been found from the single sphere. Now this is the second problem. In this problem, number of cones have been given and it is get melted, and in order to form a sphere, the diameter of the sphere has been asked and the surface area has been asked. Now we are going to reach the question. 504 cones, each of diameter of each cone is 3.5 centimeter and height of the each cone is 3 centimeter, are melted and recast into a metallic sphere. Find the diameter of sphere and find its surface area. If we want to make the question more difficult, here their number of cones is more. If we are going to melted it, then if we want not a single sphere, number of sphere, then in that case number of cones into volume of cones is equal to number of sphere and into volume of sphere. That the question will be more conceptual, which is beyond the understanding limit of all the students of class 10 students. So this has been eliminated. It has been only asked given the number of cones. Each of diameter 3.5 meter and height 3 meter, 3 centimeters are melted and recast into a metallic sphere. It means the number of metallic sphere is 1. Think. If number of metallic sphere is more, then we assume in number of ns and the volume. Then this concept will be used. Now we have earlier study about that the cones is recast into the metallic sphere. The number of cones has been given, so we can say that n into number of cones into volume of cone is equal to the number of sphere is 1. It has been assumed as 1, and the volume of sphere here n is equal to number of cones given. In the previous questions, the number of cones were asked. In this question, number of cones has been given. So what we will do, n into volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r1 square h, because volume cone and spheres are two different geometry, two metallic figures, two metallic बोल सकते हैं. ठीक, 3D dimensional set. So pi r1, both diameter will be different, so we assume the r1 and r2, and this volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r2 is pi r2 cube. 4 by 3 pi r2 cube. कितने ऐसे नमूने होते हैं. n की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे, 22/7 करेंगे, r1 निकालेंगे, h निकालेंगे, फिर r2 निकालेंगे. क्या करेंगे ऐसे कैलकुलेशन नहीं होता. विद द यूज ऑफ माइंड वी कैंसिल इट pi by pi and 3 by pi. ठीक, नाउ द कैलकुलेशन गेट इजी. ठीक, number of cones is equal to 504 and R1 square diameter has been given. The R1 is equal to 3.5 divided by 2. It means in place of 3.5 we can write is 7 by 2 and 1 by 2 is already present. So in place of 7 by 4 into 7 by 4 into 7 by 4 and h is equal to 3 and this is equal to R2 cube. ठीक? तो 4 times the 4 times it get cancelled. The 4 times 4 2 4 to the 8 4 to the 8 2 4 6 the 24
बढ़िया है।
ठीक, तो ये कितने 4 से कैंसिल कर एक बार
कम ही होगा
504 into 4 by the 4 0 4 to the 8 2 4 6 the 24 it gets 2 to the 2 6 the 2 3 the and this is 2 to the 4 the how the R2 cube is equal to 63 into 7 into 3 divided by 2 थोड़ा ठीक है. I'm sorry for not writing the 4 here. The 4 has come, the 4 R2 cube and the 4 gets divided here 4 into 2 into 4. ठीक, the 9 in place we can write 9 into 7. The 3 cube 7 cube divided by 2 cube. How do we write 3 cube into 7 cube divided by 2 cube? It means that we can write it. How we will write R2 cube? R2 cube is equal to 21 by 2 whole cube. It means that R2 is equal to 21 by 2. It means that 10.5. We can easily calculate the radius of the sphere. Okay. Now we will find the surface area of the sphere. We have learned the formula of the surface sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. Here the radius of the sphere we have assumed is R2. Now the formula will come 4 pi r2 square. ठीक? Not r1 square. Always keep in mind surface sphere of sphere. Surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r2 square. In case of r2 we will write 21 by 4 pi r2 square. In place of r2 we will write 21 by 2 by for easy calculation, not 10.5. ठीक, so it will be lengthy. ठीक, 4 into 22 by 7 r2 square it is 21 by 2 and 21 by 2 and 2 get cancelled by 4 7 3 times and 3 6 का 11 times into 6 1 the 6 to the 12 and we will write it 6 to 8 3 and 1 centimeter square centimeter to meter square.
Yes,
Centimeter square. This is the required answer. C1 input is a cylindrical bucket full of sand of base radius 18 cm and height 32 cm on the floor to form a conical heap of sand. If the height of the conical heap is 24 cm, find its slant height. ये C1 क्या है? तंग आ चुके हैं. फरवरी का महीना चल रहा है. इन्हें कोई दिल पर धक्का दे दिया. बकेट सिलिंड्रिकल बकेट थी. बालू भरा हुआ था, रहा नहीं गया, टेंशन में आप उसको पलट दिए. तो जब उसको सिलिंड्रिकल था, क्या था? सिलिंड्रिकल बकेट थी. क्या थी सिलिंड्रिकल? इसमें सैंड पूरा था. क्या था सैंड? चावल गेहूं नहीं थे, न तो और मेहनत बढ़ जाती. इसको जब इसको पलट देंगे तो ये क्या बनाएगा? कोनिकल हीप. क्या बनाया? कोनिकल हीप. कोनिकल बनाया. ठीक, ऐसे चलता जाएगा. The input is a cylindrical bucket full of sand. Base radius has been given. In this case, radii and height will be the different. See, in the previous case, one was mounted on the another. So we have considered that the both radii and diameter are same. but it has been converted from one form to another form, then we suppose different radii are different diameter and height. ठीक? So here we suppose it R1, here we suppose it R1, and here we suppose it R2. ठीक? And this is the height is equal to H2, and this will the height H1. ठीक? And this is the slant height which can be asked in the question. ठीक? Now how the sand is contained in the cylinder. If we put it on the ground, that will always remain sand. It means the volume of the sand will remain constant. ठीक है? Here the cylinder is not converting, but the shape of the sand is getting converted from cylindrical to conical shape. क्या कहा गया कि सिलेंडर में जितने भी सैंड है वो सिलेंडर के आकार के होंगे. ठीक, सिलेंडर के आकार के होंगे, और जब इसको ग्राउंड पर रख दी जाएगी तो वही जो सैंड है वो कोनिकल शेप में हो जाएंगे. ठीक, तो यहाँ किसकी वॉल्यूम सेम हो रही है, ये सैंड की बात की जा रही है. तो शेप किसका चेंज हो रहा है, कहाँ से कहाँ तक, वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर से वॉल्यूम ऑफ कोन तक. तो यहाँ क्या लिखेंगे कि वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर is equal to volume of cone. ठीक, वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर पाई R1 square into H1 is equal to 1/3 pi R2 square into H2. ठीक, pi get cancel, pi get cancel. R1 has been given 18 centimeter. The 18 multiplied 18 and height also be given 32. 32 is equal to 1/3. This is 18. This is 18. Pi R2 height of conical has been given H2. This is equal to H2. Then R2 we can find out from this relation, R2 square and H2 is equal to 24. H2 is equal to 24. The 8 times 24 and 8 4 times 32. 18 has been written 2 times. If we take the square root, then 18 from here 2, then direct we can write it. R2 is equal to square root of 18 into 18. There is no need to factorize it further, and 4 we can write 2 into 2. So from here we take pair and one common out, one take out of the square root, that is 18 into 2, and this is will be 36 centimeter. And it has been asked the slant height. By Pythagoras theorem we see that this is a right angle triangle. The L square is equal to H2 square plus R2 square. Don't write L square is equal to R square plus H square. It will be considered wrong. Why? Because here we have considered that the height of the height of the cone is H2 and the radius of the cone is R2. So we have to write that by Pythagoras theorem is equal to L square, H2 square plus R2 square. Here H2 square is equal to 24 square, R2 square is equal to 36 square. ठीक, 36 square. How we will write it? 484
square.
24 square.
576.
ठीक है, 484
576.
484 22 का है. 484 किसका है, 22 का. इसका 576 होगा. 576 आइए 1296. Now gets added the 6 12 10 117 5 3 8. This is 1. The L square is equal to 1876. L is equal to square root of 176. देखिए, in order to find the simple way, we will take the 2 digit here and 2 digit here. ठीक? The 6 comes in the table of 6 and 4. 6 and 4. And here 18 will become in the table of 4. Near about 4 just 16. 4 just 16, and we take the minimum value. Minimum value क्या होगा, 4. तो 44 सेंटीमीटर से लेंथ है
43.3.
43.3. Approx we can say that 44. ठीक है. The 44 if we find out the 43.3 3 centimeter. How we will calculate? Let us see the
Long division.
long division method by 1876. ठीक, we take a pair 4 times 4 16 4. Here we will get add, we add and we will subtract it to the 276. If we put one figure this and one figure this, a 3 times a 3 will get, ठीक, the 3 3 जा 9, 3 8 जा 24, ये कितना हो जाएगा -7 6 minus 2 2 पॉइंट लगाएंगे तो 00, this will be also 00, तो ये 6 ये 8, again it will go divisible by 3, so 40.33 3.3 centimeter, which is the required answer. Okay.
हाँ.
So this is the fourth question. Water is flowing through a pipe. Water is flowing at the rate of 15 km per hour through a pipe of diameter 14 centimeter into a rectangular tank which is 50 meter long and 44 meter wide. Find the time in which the level of water rise by 21 centimeter. This is the problem of physics also. ठीक, this is a conceptual base and we solve it conceptually. We think this is not only based on formula. ठीक, देखते हैं कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे. जैसे कि एक पाइप है, क्या है, कैसी पाइप है, सिलिंड्रिकल पाइप है. ठीक, ऐसी सिलिंड्रिकल पाइप होगी, ऐसे सिलिंड्रिकल पाइप है, समझ में आया, तिरछा है. इसके एक नीचे रेक्टेंगुलर टैंक है. कैसा टैंक है, द रेक्टेंगुलर टैंक होगा तो इट मींस इट इज टॉकिंग अबाउट द क्यूबाइड 3 डायमेंशनल. रेक्टेंगुलर टैंक होगा तो इसका मतलब क्या होगा, 3 डायमेंशनल की क्यूबाइड होगी कि नहीं, 3 डायमेंशनल. अब इसमें से पानी वाटर फ्लो कर रहा है, वाटर इज फ्लोइंग थ्रू द पाइप एंड इट गेट्स कमिंग इनटू द क्यूबाइडल टैंक. अब ये कहाँ आ रहा है, टैंक में आ रहा है, समझ में आया. तो टैंक में आ रहा है तो ये पाइप में जितना पानी था वही सारा पानी क्या आ रहा है, टैंक में आ रहा है. वही सारा पानी किस में आ रहा है, टैंक में. आया समझ में, हिंदी में समझ लीजिए. तो सारा पानी टैंक में आया मतलब जितने वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर इसमें था सारा वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर इसमें आ गया. अब यहाँ बात आ गई कि ये 15 किलोमीटर पर आवर दिया है तो इसकी जो वाटर की लेवल है, यहाँ के वाटर की जो स्पीड है ये 15 किलोमीटर पर आवर है. 15 किलोमीटर क्या है, पर आवर. ठीक, अगर हम we have already studied about that speed is equal to distance upon time, and if we want to calculate the distance traveled by the water then we have to multiply the speed by time. ठीक है, तो suppose in time t the distance traveled by water is 15 into t. 15 kilometer it means 10 to power 3 and into t is in hour. t किसमें है, hour में है. t is the time in hour. t कितना है, टाइम है hour में. समझ में आया, डिस्टेंस हो गया. तो the water is flowing through the cross section of the pipe. Cross section of the pipe. The cross section is circular in shape. In each and every part, the pipe is circular in shape. The if we multiply area into length, this will be the volume. अगर हम एरिया को लेंथ से मल्टीप्लाई कर दे तो वो क्या आ जाएगा, वॉल्यूम. तो यहाँ लेंथ कितना है, हाउ मच डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल, डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल 15 into 10 to power 3 into time. It means that we can say that 15 into 10 raised to the power 3 into time. This is the distance traveled by the water, and through the circular section it means pi r square. Suppose the radius of the cylindrical pipe is r. ठीक, pi r square, and both the volume will be get equal. That the volume of divided time is equal to LBH. आया समझ में. तो ये कितना होगा, 15 into, देखिए some dimension has been given in other part. Here is meter, here is also meter, and this is 21 centimeter. So this is in meter. So we will convert the 21 centimeter into meter by dividing the
यहाँ पर
100.
सेंटीमीटर 14 सेंटीमीटर है सेंटीमीटर में बदल लीजिए
Okay. Then this is the pipe. It is also 14 centimeter. We convert it. The radius of the pipe. Radius is of pipe is equal to 14 divided by 2. It is equal to 7 centimeter. The 7 centimeter it gets converted into meter by dividing it by 100.
0.07
ठीक है? No. Don't convert it to decimal. ठीक? तो 10 raised to the power 3 into t. ठीक? If we calculate in decimal, then the calculation
Yes,
will
sure.
become
Yes, sure.
more lengthy,
Yeah,
more
yeah.
calculating.
Exactly.
ठीक?
Yes, sure,
That
sure.
22 by 7, r square is equal to 7 by 100, 7 by 100 into 7 by 100 into 7 by 100. L length is equal to 50. B is equal to 44.
Yeah, sure.
And H level of water gets rises. Suppose the level of water rises from H meter, and this is the length of the
Yeah,
cuboidal
sure.
tank, and B is the breadth of the cuboidal tank. The volume of the water is same in the both cases. The first, so how the level of water 21 centimeter, and this will get divided by 100 to convert into meter. Through this equation,
टाइम will find
we can easily find out the time by easy calculation. How? Let us suppose this 200 and this 100 get cancelled. Okay. This 100 cancel, and 7 this also get cancelled.
this 100
ठीक?
to
Okay. 2 zeros and 2 zeros also get cancelled, and 1 0 and 1 0 it also get
22
cancelled.
42
Once minute 5 3 times 20 15 also get cancelled, and 22
Two.
times, and 7
Three
into
times.
3 21, and this also cancelled. Then we can easily find the time taken by the water
Hour.
to flow from circular pipe to the cuboidal tank. It will 2 hours. It will be the 2 hours. ठीक है? What was the concept? एक minute. What was the concept? Concept is diet. Concept is
Thank you.
diet.
थैंक यू बोलिए
Concept is that distance traveled by area into, we can say that area of circular pipe. ये distance यानी कि distance travel by water, ठीक, into distance travel by water into area of circular cross section is area of circular cross section. ठीक, circular cross section or circular cross section is equal to LVH, volume of cuboid. Okay, that is the
थैंक यू बोलिए थैंक यू बोलिए
क्या देखिए कि दो स्फीयर से सेम मेटल के वेज 1 kg and 7 kg, रेडियस ऑफ स्मॉलर स्फीयर इज 3 centimeter, and 2 spheres are melted to form a single big sphere. The diameter of new sphere, find the diameter of new sphere since the both spheres are made up of same metal. Here now the first question is getting more complex. This is more conceptual questions. It has been asked in CBSE one times. So how we will find this? Here not the volume is given, here the weight of the sphere is given. What the sphere? 2 spheres are same metal के, let us suppose copper aluminum, 2 metals, 2 spheres, one is smaller and one is bigger. Weight, first one is 1 kg, it means it will the smaller sphere, and second one is 7 kg, it means that this will be the larger sphere. 7 kg, ठीक, this is 7 kg and this is 1 kg, and the two metals are get melted. It gets melted and form a single sphere. और कहाँ बनाया गया? सिंगल स्फीयर. मान लीजिए लेट अस सपोज द रेडियस ऑफ द स्मॉलर स्फीयर बी r1 एंड द स्मॉलर, ठीक, bigger sphere be r2, and the sphere which has been formed by melting after this will suppose the radius is r. This is r. तो एक मिनट, तो वी हैव इट हैज बीन रिटेन सेम मेटल की बात किया गया है। तो सेम मेटल का मतलब ये होता है कि डेंसिटी सेम होगी, वॉल्यूम भी सेम होगा, डेंसिटी भी क्या होगी, सेम होगी। तो यहाँ से देखेंगे कि डेंसिटी इज इक्वल टू कहे है, डेंसिटी इज इक्वल टू मास अपॉन वॉल्यूम, या वी कैन से दैट वॉल्यूम इनटू डेंसिटी इज इक्वल टू मास। Density of the metal is constant. Density of metal क्या है, constant. So we can say that volume of metal is directly proportional to the mass of the metal. जो वॉल्यूम होगी उसकी क्या होगा, अगर मास बढ़ेगा तो उसकी वॉल्यूम भी क्या होगी, बढ़ेगी। अगर मास कम होगा तो वॉल्यूम भी कम होगा। और डेंसिटी कांस्टेंट है क्योंकि मेटल एक ही है, मेटल क्या है, एक ही है। तो यहाँ से हम लिख सकते हैं दिस इज द डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल साइंस, ठीक। इफ द वन क्वांटिटी इंक्रीजेज अनदर क्वांटिटी इंक्रीजेज बाय द सेम अमाउंट, इफ द one quantity decreases then the another quantity gets decreases by same amount। तो अगर यहाँ प्रोपोर्शनलिटी साइंस दे दे तो प्रोपोर्शनलिटी साइन दे दे तो उसको कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे, ध्यान दीजिए। तो अब यहाँ से हम पढ़े कि V डायरेक्टली वॉल्यूम इज directly proportional to mass, ठीक। तो from here we can directly say that V1 by V2 is equal to M1 divided by M2, M1 divided by M2। तो let us suppose this is M1, ठीक, and this is M2। तो M1 the radius of smaller sphere 3 centimeter, R1 is equal to 3 centimeter, and this radius has not been mentioned in the question। So using this relation we can easily find out the radius of the bigger sphere। So V1 it means our for further simplification we can write it, this is identity 4 by 3 pi R1 cube divided by 4 by 3 pi R2 cube is equal to mass is 1 R1 M1 and second mass is 7, ठीक। तो 4 by 3 get cancel, R1 by R3, so we can find the value of R2। From here we can find the value of R2। the R2 will be R2 cube is equal to R1 cube into 7, ठीक। the R1 cube is equal to 3, the 3 cube into 7, सही है, ठीक। तो if we leave it, क्योंकि अगर नया वाला स्फीयर इसको ऐसे इजीली रख रहे हैं क्योंकि 4 by 3 पाई आर क्यूब आता है वॉल्यूम में। अब क्या किया गया, दोनों स्फीयर को मिलाकर एक नया स्फीयर बना गया, मतलब कि इसकी वॉल्यूम जो V1 होगी, ठीक, और इसकी वॉल्यूम V2 होगी, दोनों का सम इज इक्वल होगा बड़े वाले वॉल्यूम के बराबर, ठीक। तब यहाँ से क्या लिखेंगे, V1 plus V2 is equal to V1 plus V2 is equal to V, V1 plus V2 is equal to V।
इसको सॉल्व कीजिए,
ठीक। V1 plus V2 यहाँ से लिखेंगे वॉल्यूम ऑफ स्मॉलर स्फीयर, वॉल्यूम ऑफ लार्जर स्फीयर बिगर इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ न्यू स्फीयर। वॉल्यूम ऑफ न्यू स्फीयर है, ये न्यू स्फीयर है, वॉल्यूम ऑफ न्यू स्फीयर, ठीक। तो 4 by 3 पाई R1 क्यूब प्लस 4 by 3 पाई R2 क्यूब इज इक्वल टू 4 by 3 pi R cube, because क्यों पाई R cube, not R3 cube, R cube, क्योंकि we have supposed the radius of new sphere is R, ठीक। तो 4 by 3 are common, so these are cancelled, so simply we can write it R1 cube plus R2 cube is equal to R cube, okay। R1 cube is 3 cube plus R2 cube is equal to 3 cube into 7 equal to R cube। So from here we can take the 3 के power 3 common, 3 for easy calculation, 3 के power cube 1 plus 7 is equal to R cube, ठीक। The 3 cube into 8 is equal to R cube, and this is the cube of 2, ठीक। 3 cube into 2 cube is equal to R cube, and we can write it 3 into 2 powers are same, so power taking as a common r cube, and r cube get cancel, r is equal to 6 centimeter. ठीक है, and the diameter has been asked. The diameter of new sphere is equal to 2 into r. 2 into 6 is equal to 12 centimeter. That is the answer. I hope that you enjoy the lecture. Thanks for watching.